In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on Cryptoguru app. Now the thing is, the Cryptoguru app, as you can see when you start it up, gives you a virtual balance of 3,000. You can earn more balance through daily bonuses and rewards to increase the balance. But as you can see right here, it's written your virtual balance, which basically means that this is a virtual balance, not a real balance. This means that you cannot withdraw this 3,000. This isn't real money, it's virtual. So this is basically like a simulation of trading into coins. You can use this just as practice or as a virtual simulation, as it is not the real thing like other cryptocurrency apps. As you can see right here, it's a virtual balance. You can get rewards, for example, $300 for watching a video, and you can get daily bonuses as well. And as you can see, you can do trades right here. These are all of your cryptocurrency assets, and you can do virtual trading right here. So this is specifically virtual trading, which means that in the Cryptoguru app, you cannot withdraw real money. You can only do crypto trading with virtual money. And that's all. Subscribe, it's free.